Okay, we are back with more Taylor Swift. This time we got Come In With The Rain. I love rain. I love when it rains. Taylor's version, interesting. What's from Fearless? Okay, I don't want to read comments. Yeah, I could, it's gonna spoil the song. We got the lyric video. I think the lyrics look big. I checked, they look kind of big, right? Yeah, I think you guys can read that. Yeah, man, let's check it out. I like this view too. Ooh, oh, dude, whenever you have like a 4-bar guitar kind of loop playing, you want that final bit to tie it up perfectly and bring it back, and that's what they did here. The lyric got cut off. What is this? The video's cut off, dude. Know all the steps. The word's cut off. What? I can hear it. Talk to the wind, talk to the sky, talk to the man with the reasons why. Let me know what you find. I'll leave my window open, 'cause I'm too tired tonight to call your name. Just to know I'm right here, hoping that you'll come in with the rain. Ooh. Oh, did you hear that? Was that a violin that comes in there? I just paused it during the violin. This Fearless is after Speak Now, I'm guessing, because it still has that country vibe. And I don't think the dude's gonna come in through this window. I mean, it looks like it's like 3 stories tall or something, 2 stories, maybe 3 stories. Yeah, I don't think you can climb that wall unless you're Spider-Man or something. But I don't know if that's a violin or not.
Stand up and sing you a song, but I don't wanna have to go that far, and I've got you down. I know you by heart.
I know you by heart. I like that.
Know where I start. Talk to yourself, talk to the tears, talk to the man who put you here, and don't wait for the sky to clear. I'll leave my window open, 'cause I'm too tired tonight to call your name. Just to know I'm right here, hoping.
She takes it this like open and hopin', right? She does the same thing vocally where she takes hopin', takes it high. I wish she took hopin' like a little bit lower, you know what I mean? Take it an octave lower there. I don't know why. I just feel like it would hit harder.
Just to know I'm right here,
Hopin'. I don't know.
come in with the rain.
The banjo. Little instrumental break.
I've watched you so long, scream your name. I don't know
The strings.
what else I can say. I'll leave my window open, 'cause I'm too tired tonight for all these
Okay.
Just to know I'm right here,
Oh, I bet she doesn't do that in the original. I bet she doesn't do that in the original. The right, the way she sang the right, dude, that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not like a Swiftie or nothing, but I can imagine where you know all the originals of these songs, and then when she re-released them, dude, I bet it was like a crazy experience hearing everything freshly like this. That's so cool, dude. Damn. Wow.
I could go back to every laugh, but I don't wanna go there anymore.
Damn, dude. Damn. That was a really pretty song, man. Really pretty song. Oh my god. That's what happens when I drink coffee with sugar. But it's so gross without sugar. I always burp and stuff. Anyways, gross. Why am I talking about burping? That was a pretty ass song, dude. I like how towards the end, where it's like before the final chorus, kind of like cut all the instruments here. This part was really cool.
I leave my window open, 'cause I'm too
The way it just built back up and stuff was really nice. I kind of wish they threw in like one more instrument though for the final chorus, just something else to layer it extra. It hits hard when it was your comfort song when you were younger. Yeah, I can imagine. One of the most criminally underrated songs. It's really good. Is it underrated? Those people who waste their time on hating Taylor Swift instead of listening to these masterpieces. Thinking back to the days at the library and I just sit in one of the corner, try to focus on my studies, play her music to keep me company. I will never change, but I'll never stay the same either. Wait. What does that mean? Isn't that a contradiction? I'll never change? I guess change is a vague term, so like, but you'll stay the same, or I'll never stay the same. Wait, my brain's not working. I will never change. You're saying I will never change, you're gonna stay the same, but I'll never stay the same either. Huh. It just reminds me of Lana Del Rey's lyric, things that changing all the time, but I don't want to change. I'll stay the same. Was that Dark But Just a Game? I love that song. Yeah, no, this one was really good. I actually really like this one. Again, it's a nice sad one, and her vocal, dude, was really dope, especially when she hit that right, the way she did that was sick. I'll fuck with it, man. Keep it elite. What will I rate this? Man, I want to give this, I want to put it in the 9s. It's somewhere in the 9s. I'll give it like a 9.2. I'll give it a 9.2. It's a really, really pretty song, and I love Rain. Dope song, man.